This video explores 5 game-changing video editing features that you need to know.
Thank you to Veed.io for sponsoring this video. Veed is a full-featured online video editor that will help you create professional quality videos. In the next part of the video I will showcase some useful features. To try this video editor, visit the link in the video description. Also, on this website you can find many tutorials that will help you use it more easily. The first feature is my favorite. Don't worry if you break your eye contact to look at your notes or scripts. Veed AI aligns your gaze while retaining your natural eye color and blinks. To start editing, click on Create Project and then upload your video. Wait a few seconds for the video to upload. Before editing, my video looks like this. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. Now click on your video and then click on Eye Contact feature. Wait few seconds for the process to complete. After using this feature, my video looks like this. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. Here you can see how the video looked before using this tool and how it looks after using it. I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. To export the video, click on Done and then click on Export Video button. After that, click on Download and select the MP4 format. The Studio Sound feature is a game changer, transforming poor audio quality into studio sound with a single click. Tap on the Studio Sound option and then let AI do the work for you. This is what my video sounded like before using this feature. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. Now you will hear how my video sounds when this feature is turned on. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit your videos like a pro. In this part of the video I will show you how to add subtitles and how to translate them effortlessly into any language. First, upload the video you want to edit. I chose my intro video. Here you can adjust your timeline as you like. Before adding subtitles, my video looks like this.
This video explores 5 game-changing video editing features that you need to know.
Click on the subtitles option on the left and then select Auto Transcribe. Select the language and then click Create Subtitle. After adding subtitles, my video looks like this.
This video explores 5 game-changing video editing features that you need to know.
Here you can adjust your text and choose the style in which you want your text to be. To translate the text, click on the Translate option and then select the language you want. I chose my native language. Click on Translate automatically and wait for the process to finish. Now my subtitles look like this.
This video explores 5 game-changing video editing features that you need to know.
Now I will show you how to use mockups. First, click on Templates on the left, then scroll down until you find Mockups. Click on See All and choose the mockup you like. Now select the format and then click on Start Editing. Select the video and then click on Replace Video. Now upload the video you want to add. Position the video as you like the most and then match the mockup text and song with your video. Now you can adjust the audio volume and add fade in and fade out. For now, my video looks like this. You can easily modify the text to suit your preferences. Select the color and font you like. Here you can choose animations for your text. Position the text as you like. In the next part of the video I will show you how to add text behind the person. Duplicate the video by right-clicking and selecting the copy option. Then right-click and select the paste option. Place that video above the original video and then place the other elements as I did. The text should be between these two videos. Now click on the first video and select Remove Background feature. Click on Done and export your video. After editing, my video looks like this. To save the video, click on Download button and select the MP4 format. I will use this feature often in my videos. The progress bar helps viewers track their progress and understand how much content is remaining. To find it, click on Elements and then scroll down until you find the progress bar section. Click on View All and select the element you like. Here you can choose the style you like and then choose the colors. I chose 2 shades of green for my progress bar. You can merge this effect to the part of the video where you want it to be displayed. Now position the element where you like it the most. Choose the animations you want and then you can export your video. After adding the progress bar, my video looks like this. I invite you to share your favorite feature in the comments and encourage you to try them out for yourself. The link is in the video description.